Welcome back, everyone. We're almost there. We're almost to day 25, but first, this is day 21. Woohoo! 3 weeks. 3 weeks we've been doing this now. Let's see what we have some space here. Let's fill it up. Oh, look, more food. Yay! This is egg tarts. Nope. Sorry. Wow. If I could just read the words. Egg Tart Studio. Okay, well, I immediately love the little bat. And is this a radio? Or is this actually like an Instapot? I could make a case for either. It looks a little more like a radio, but maybe it's just a very fancy lunchbox. I don't know. All right, well, let's go with the big one to start. We have some space to play with, as I just mentioned. And I really want to put the bat on here. I really do. Just a egg tart bat. I mean, how could you not put that on a cup? Oh, look at the little eggs. Ah. A lot of drinks. Scientific potion thing. I think this is a bag of chips that's sort of like a TV, maybe. I'm guessing. But we'll just put that right there. And now, because there are some little ones, we can go back to the bottom. How about this little single egg? I wonder if it fell out of the carton there. That could be. Single egg. We'll do the sweet. He'll fit there nicely with the shrimp. Okay, here we go, day 21. Finished.